Page 36, Waltz Time. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to the Italian words for the tempos that we've been seeing in the book, because most of the time you'll see the tempos as Italian words. Not always. Sometimes they're in French, sometimes they're in English, sometimes they're in who knows what. Most of the time they use Italian. And you'll learn them in time. You'll get the idea what they are. They're not an absolute, it's a range of, and it is different for different people. Tempo is, I'm going to touch. For instance, in this piece it's marked moderato. Well, that's moderately, that's the speed. Well, how fast is that? Well, somewhere in the middle. What's moderate to you? For me, it depends on what time of day it is and how many cups of coffee I've had or whatever. But it would be like, this is a waltz time, it's a waltz. 1, 2, how fast is a waltz? So take it to that. That's a moderate, that's fine. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Like so? No, that's fine. So in this, we're in middle C position. The left hand gets the melody, so the right hand is going to stay soft with these, and it's just a wrist thing. But the left hand is legato, it's smooth. So they give you the different dynamic markings. I disagree with that. They got MF below the staff and a P in the middle. That's telling you for each hand. I wish they wouldn't do that, because all you need is an MF between the staves. That's it. And you understand that applies to the melody, and everything else has to be softer than that. Second line, you've got the hairpins to get louder. Go up to the C. And then come down. The right hand helps you come down, because once you play a note on piano, you have no control of how much it comes down. So the right hand can get softer. And then in the last line, same thing. The hairpins. And use the right hand to get softer. That works out too. Now there's a note at the bottom. If you want, you can play it twice. And when you repeat it, they're suggesting you move both hands up an octave. So in that case, you just pretend middle C, which is here, goes up in octaves. It's here. And you just move both hands up here. So you're here. Play it up there if you want. It's up to you. On page 37, they're going through some little writing exercises where you can put in the notes and the symbols and whatnot. I'm not going to cover all that. You don't need my help with that. If you want to go over that, knock yourself out. But otherwise, I'm going to skip page 37. Let's play this slowly together. It's kind of a fun piece to play. I'll give us 3 counts since it's in 3/4 time. So here we go. 1, ready, go. Two, three, off.